Daily entry. This screen lists all the days for a particular flock and presents the key information. It is possible to make changes to non-grayed out fields, and these changes will be presented in the overview screens. To do this, choose a field, make a change, and press the Save button. At the bottom, it is possible to add comments for each day. Medicine consumption. It is also possible to log the medicine consumption daily. A drop-down will appear of all medicines used. Once the medicine has been selected for a particular day, the amount can be added and then saved. By right-clicking on the medicine table, it is possible to export the information to a spreadsheet. Flocks. Flock information can be added and updated.